Hello again. Let's see in this video how we are going to create a test for a class created. We already saw how to create a class. I'm going to open the same class and let's go to the test section. Here I have already published a multiple choice question based test, and let's see how you can publish one more. So there is a new button at the right bottom corner. You just have to press it and you have to select a topic. Perhaps I will add a new topic, national artifacts. So this topic is added, and let's have 3 questions in this test with maximum of 4 options each and 3 minutes for the test. Let's have 2 marks for correct question and perhaps negative mark of 1 for incorrectly attempted question. Deadline, date and time is something optional. It totally depends on Educator and the kind of test he is trying to create. If he wants a deadline, he could add the values here, but I will leave them optional for now, and I'll hit the create button and the test is created. You could see the created test in progress section of my tests section. So this is a test which is already published, and this is something which we just created, which is in progress section. So now let's fill the question. It's very easy. You press on the edit button and you add the questions and options. Add the answer. You also have the explanation section, which is completely optional, and you move on to the next question. And if you click on the hamburger icon in the top right corner, you could see all the questions you have completed so far. Since I have filled question number 1 with the question description and the 4 options with also an entry for an option which is correct, it is marked green, and 2 other questions are marked not green. That means they need to be filled. So let's fill the second question. And if I press the hamburger icon, you could see the 2 questions are completed. If I go back, as you can see, there is a blue line indicator indicating the questions filled, also indicated by the number here. Just filling 2 questions out of 3 total. And now let's fill the last question. Press on it. Those are the options you want, and the option would be 3. I'll save it. You can see the hamburger icon shows all 3 questions completed. When I go back, you will automatically see this publish button, and when you hit this publish button, it will again ask for a deadline, but since I do not want, I will just proceed with publish, and then you wait for a little while, and that's done. So this is the test you just published right now. So you have option to review it and unpublish it. Please note, only published content is visible by the participants of the class, that is the students or learners involved in the class. If I hit review, you could see all the questions with correct answer you have marked, and yeah, that's that. And if you ever want to edit the questions, you will have to unpublish the test, which will make it go back to in progress section, and then you can edit the test again. Now let us see how a learner would see this test. So I'll quickly show you the learner. I'll log out from this account and log in with another account having a learner enrolled in the same class as I created the test for right now. So this is a learner user and he is already enrolled in the class, and if he goes to the test section, he will see all the tests, and as you can see, I've already attempted one test, and now This is the test we just created. This is how learner will be shown. The instructions that the test carries 2 marks and a negative 1 marks will be deducted for incorrectly attempted question. It is all the details which the educator has filled, and let me quickly attempt this. As you can see, this is the attempt mode, so I will just quickly answer the questions. And here is also a hamburger icon for a learner, which will show all the questions he has attempted. It will also mark question for you, for which the highlighting will be different. And let's submit the test. You can see these are the results. This is how a learner would see attempted test. And when a learner reviews it, this is how it would be shown: the right answer in green and the incorrectly attempted answer by the user in red, if it is incorrectly attempted. Otherwise, a green background will be shown on the answer which is correct. So I think that is all. That is how a learner would see the test created by the user. You will see how exactly an educator would access the progress made by the participants of his class, that is the students of his or her class. So if you see, there is a progress button here. After clicking the progress tab, you would see all the tests which are published by you, and after clicking on any one test, you would see all the participants. If they have attempted the test, their results will be shown here. So this is how, as an educator, you could see the results of all your participants in one place. I think that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.